Okay, I already did the chemical stripping. The majority of the paint is off the wheel, and now I have to sandblast it, so I'm going to start sandblasting. I'm using my bad boy portable sandblaster. You can see it takes off all the rust. It's only operating at what, 50 psi? If I could get it a little bit higher, just knock all that old rust and paint residue off. So once I finish doing this, I'll go ahead and keep you updated, let you see the end results. Let me start doing this. These are the powder coated rims I was working on. On a 56 Ford Thunderbird that I'm restoring. That's my personal vehicle. Some of the undercarriage is also powder coated. Some suspension components. Each wheel I'll powder coat. That's metal preparation, sandblast, media blast. I'll do it for $65 each wheel. I use high quality powders from Eastwood Company. So give me a call. I'll be able to give you some advice. Also, we can work out if you got other projects. I do small components, suspension parts, intakes, valve covers. Thanks for following the restoration of the rims.